Check it out. This is a 2016 to 18 Acura RDX. We've just added wireless and wired Android Auto and CarPlay. Today, we installed the Hamilton Upgrade Kit. It's a box that goes behind your factory radio, takes over your factory screen, and gives you wireless and wired CarPlay and Android Auto. I can shift to reverse and my factory backup camera comes up, and back to park or drive will bring me right back into Android Auto or CarPlay. At any time, I can also long hold this back button and switch back to my factory system where all of my factory screens remain, as well as my XM, FM, and AM radio. Full specs and product details are available at hamiltonmotorcompany.com. If you watch to the end of this video, we're going to show you how to pair and set up Android Auto as well as your audio. You can see no matter which app you use for navigation, you'll have easy access to large, beautiful navigation, and it looks great with Android Auto. Also, any app that has a music component, like Spotify, SoundCloud, Pandora, SiriusXM, or otherwise, available on Android Auto will automatically show up, giving you access to all of your songs and media. We're going to have a full installation video for this product. It's backed by a 3-year warranty that we call the Hamilton Guarantee. I'm Dave from Hamilton Motor Company. Now I'm going to show you how to pair and set it up. Now let's go ahead and long hold the back button here. We'll switch to the factory Acura system, hit settings. We'll use the wheel to come over here to audio settings, Bluetooth device list, and then let's add a Bluetooth device. Now on your Android phone, pull it out. We'll swipe down from settings, touch the settings icon, connected devices, and then on the car, click OK. Don't touch anything yet on the phone and wait for the car to find the phone. The car has found the phone. Let's go ahead and select it. Then on the phone, now click Allow to Contacts and Favorites, and wait with this screen on the Acura until it goes away automatically. We'll click Allow to Accessing Messages. Now it says the device was successfully connected. If you don't see it show up here, you can then come here to Connect Bluetooth Audio Device, and then select your device and make sure that it connects. Now we'll long hold that back button and come back to the factory Acura system. Let's open up the Bluetooth devices again on the phone, connect a device, do Allow New Connections, and then we're going to be looking for a connection device starting with Hamilton. When it appears, you can go ahead and touch it. Click Allow to Contacts and Favorites. And now wait for about 20 to 30 seconds the first time for Android Auto to initialize. If you see any more prompts on your phone, including terms and conditions, click Approve. The first time you use Android Auto, you may need to approve the terms. You also may need to go to the Google Play Store and search Android Auto and make sure your phone supports it. Here it is. Android Auto is now running on the car. Your music is playing here through the factory Bluetooth. If you have any questions about this process, check out our help center, help.hamiltonmotorcompany.com. We also have North Carolina-based customer support at 919-858-2890. I'm Dave from Hamilton Motor Company. Be sure to check out our pairing video, and I'll see you in the next video.